Hi guys, it's Oriana. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. In today's video I'm going to be sharing a pretty huge H&M haul which I'm really excited to show you guys as I've picked up some really lovely transitional pieces and then also like a whole load of jeans. So this will be the first of many H&M hauls on my channel because it is one of my favourite retailers. I don't know what you guys think, but I feel like H&M have been absolutely smashing it for the past few seasons and I've been on their website constantly trying to make sure that I don't miss out on any new pieces because as you all know everything seems to sell out so quickly on H&M's website. So I am going to get this video uploaded as quickly as possible, so hopefully if there's any pieces that you want to shop they are still available, but do make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell because that way you'll be alerted whenever I release a video and won't miss out. I will also link my Instagram down below, so do give that a follow. I post a lot of my outfits on there, so it's a great place to be for some inspiration. As always, I will link all of the items featured down below along with any items I've styled them with, and I will also include my sizes for reference. Okay, so I've got loads to get through, so let's just jump straight in. Right, so let's start with the piece that I'm wearing now, which is this jumper in a soft ribbed knit in white. This is in a really loose relaxed fit. It's got a deep neckline at the front and then that also comes around into the back as well, which means that it's just on the shoulder, which I really like, and I kind of just like to tilt it off more to one shoulder and show off a little bit of collarbone and have it a little bit higher on the other. It's got these really lovely raglan style sleeves that are really puffy. At the cuff they come in really nicely, which means that it's quite easy to just pull them up and show off your jewellery on your wrists. It was the colour that drew me to this jumper. I love a white knit in the winter, and then I think it's also a really nice colour to take through into the spring. Obviously it's just a white, it's nothing like super special about it, but I think there's just something really soft and pretty about white knits that just kind of give you a little bit of a glow. I find knits in this colour go really nicely with light denim and then just lots of gold jewellery. I also really enjoy contrasting the softness of this knit with leather, just for kind of like a soft edgy kind of combo. So I picked this up in a medium just because that was all that was available online, and I didn't really mind it being a bit oversized where it already is in a loose fit, but I definitely could have got away with a small. It also has side slit hems which make it really easy to French tuck. Next we have a few other tops. So I picked up this t-shirt and I was just really drawn to this because of the straight structure to it. It just looked really nice and clean cut, but I have to hold my hands up and say that I am awful at reading product descriptions and I had no idea that it had padded shoulders, and when I got it and I opened it I almost didn't even try it on because as much as I tried them, padded shoulders just never seemed to suit me. But I tried it on and thought I'd give it a go, and thank God that I did because it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm so over the moon with that. I've never been able to find a padded t-shirt that suits me, and this one, where it's just lightly padded, is just so flattering. It really looks so good. I'm just so shocked by it because I just really wasn't expecting it to. You can easily wear it casually with just jeans and trainers, or you can wear it dressed up with, you know, jeans, a chunky belt, some heels, and it looks great. I think what I love most about it is just the way that the shoulders drop because of that light little bit of padding, and then they go into these really dramatic long sleeves, and I think that is just what makes it really flattering on me. So yeah, I'm super happy with it. I got it in a size small. Obviously you can't really see here, but it is super long. It comes past my bum, so you do have to be quite neat when you're tucking it in and do it properly. You can't just kind of like put your jeans on and then shove the length into your jeans. You do kind of need to just like lay it down and then pull your jeans on over it, just so you don't get any bunching. But yeah, I am super happy with this. It's a really nice material. It's like this really thick jersey, so I think this will be a t-shirt that will last a really long time as well, which is great because it was only like, you know, I think £15 or something, and it definitely is quality for that price. But I am just over the moon with this because I can tell it's going to be a piece that I just reach for so much, and I'm just so excited to style it up as well, especially as like when I'm going on date nights and things, my boyfriend is always like, oh, let's just go casual, let's just go casual, and I'm there always trying to do the absolute most and getting as dolled up as possible. Now when we can go on date nights I can literally be like, well, I'm just wearing a t-shirt because it doesn't get any more casual than a t-shirt, but I will be dressing this bad boy up to the next level, so perfect. When we can actually go back out on date nights and things, I am going to be utilising my wardrobe to its maximum potential. I'm probably going to be going and running to my car halfway through date nights to do a costume change, just so I'm actually getting all my wear out of my wardrobe. So I also picked up these sunglasses, and these are kind of like items that I really miss shopping for in store. When you'd go in to have a little mooch around, you usually would end up trying on a few pairs of sunglasses, picking one up, realising you love them, and you know. Obviously I know it's February and it is still very much winter, but I always find in the summer when I am actually looking for a pair of affordable sunglasses, by that point it's too late. I can't get any styles that I actually want. So I thought there's no point waiting until then. Obviously when you buy sunglasses online, you never really know what you're going to get, and with these ones they didn't show you a picture of them on a model, so I really didn't know how these were going to go. But I thought I'd give them a go just because they looked really similar to a pair of Chanel sunglasses that I was contemplating buying last year. Although they don't look quite the same on, they are still a really nice pair of sunglasses. They're just black in a really like classic oversized style, and I really like that the lenses are quite light because I tend to wear sunglasses pretty often because I've got hay fever and I like to kind of avoid pollen getting into my eyes. I always love for the lenses to be a little bit lighter because it means that you can wear them on days that aren't actually that bright as well. Next I got this checked gingham blouse. I don't know what it is about this style of check, but I'm just always so drawn to it. I always seem to have at least one top like this in my wardrobe. I think there's something about it, I'm not sure what it is, I just find it really endearing. I just thought this was a great transitional piece because I can wear it now with skinny jeans and boots and a jumper over top if needed, and then as it gets warmer I'll be able to wear it with some wider leg denim and trainers or sandals. In the cutaway I've shown it styled with some wide leg denims that I will come on to in a minute. I'll talk about the denims all together because I picked up loads of pairs. So I really like the neckline of this top. It's got a little concealed zip at the back so it does up really nicely, and then it's just got these long sleeves with slight puffs at the top, but it drapes really nicely. The material flows down really well so it's really easy to tuck into your trousers. The next top that I got was this cream pleated blouse, and this one's in a boxy fit. It's got elastic around the waistline that brings it in really nicely. Again, I really like the neckline of this one. So as I said, it's kind of like a pleated material. It's one of those tops that looks a lot more expensive than it is, and it's also got a really nice lining to it that means that it's really warm as well, and you also don't have to worry about wearing anything underneath it. Styles like this again look really nice with light denim and then lots of gold jewellery. I've styled it with a pair of mum jeans that I also picked up in this haul, and then a big chunky belt. I think this top would also work really well with skinny jeans and boots, but definitely going into the summer I see myself wearing it more with lighter denim and open-toed sandals. Next, probably the piece that I am most excited for is this quilted shirt jacket, and there were two things that drew me to this. It was the straight structure of it and then also the quilted nylon texture. I just thought that added such a nice bit of detail whilst being quite subtle at the same time. Again, I feel like this is a great transitional piece that I'll get loads of wear out of. I'll wear it in the cooler months with a black turtleneck, skinny jeans and then chunky black boots, just for like an all black effortless look. And then as I'm absolutely desperate for it to be trench coat weather, I thought this would work really well, styled underneath my trench just as an extra layer to keep me warm. And then as it starts to get warmer, I would just style this with just loads of different combinations of jeans, camis, halter necks and just trainers on my feet. So yeah, I'm really happy with this piece because I feel like it's so versatile and I'm going to get so much wear out of it. So flowy dresses are very much in again this year, and although I always love them on other people, I always find that form-fitting dresses tend to suit me better. But ever the optimist, I do always try different styles. So I picked up this lovely knee-length flowy dress, and it was the dark beige kind of slightly orange colour that drew me to it, and I kind of felt that the shorter length would probably be a little bit more flattering on me. So I kind of feel like it's the combination of being a little bit shorter and a little bit curvier that kind of means that a lot of flowy dresses don't usually work for me. And I have to say, this is definitely one of the more flattering flowy dresses that I've tried. I think it's a combination of the length and then the smock detail that makes it slightly more flattering on me. So I got it in a small and it does fit fine, but I do kind of wish that they had just cinched in the waist slightly more, but I guess obviously that probably would defeat the purpose of it being a really flowy dress. But I did just try clipping it at the back just to see if I preferred it that way, and I do feel like having a slightly more cinched in waist definitely does complement my figure better. It does also come with a little slip dress inside, so you don't have to worry about wearing anything underneath it. Again, I feel like this is a great transitional piece. I've styled it for the cooler months with some knee-high boots and just my saddle bag, and then for the warmer months I've swapped out the boots for heeled sandals, which I think look really cute with this dress. As this dress does have such an elegant look to it, I did have a play around with styling up even more just with my cream blazer and a clutch bag, and that was just giving me like serious wedding guest vibes. Okay, so next let's talk jeans. So obviously jean shopping is hard at the best of times when you can go into stores, and now we're doing all of our shopping online, it has become even more challenging. So I thought I would just experiment with a few different styles to see which ones suit me best. So all of the pairs that I ordered are in a size 10, which is just my usual jean size. So first up we have these light blue denims in a slim mum fit. I'm really impressed with the fit of these jeans. They fit me really nicely, and they're also a really soft denim, which makes them really comfy. I've shown them in the cutaway dressed up with the pleated blouse and heels, but these would be a really great pair for more chill days, just trainers and t-shirt. They're also not very tight on me, so I would definitely say these aren't a pair that you would have to size up with at all. They seem to be very true to size and a bit roomy if anything, but like around the waist there is just like a little bit of room, not enough room to like go down a size, but just enough room to easily be able to tuck things in, or just to be comfortable when you're sitting down too. So wide leg jeans have been on the comeback for the last few years, but I have been yet to find a pair that actually suit me. So when I saw that H&M had a few pairs, I thought I'd just try them out and see if there were any styles that worked for me. So I picked up these light blue wide leg jeans, and I'm so happy with the fit of them. The legs are wide, they're not too dramatically wide, which is kind of what I was looking for. I'm just so impressed with the fit of these. They're absolutely perfect on me. I love that they've got a really high waistline. They fit me so well, and then they also make my bum look fantastic, if I do say so myself. Usually my biggest struggle with jeans is that they completely squash my bum, and then I have to go up a size and then have them really like gaping at my waist and have to like always wear a belt. But with these, they fit so perfectly around the waist. They're not super tight, but they do just hold you in comfortably. They give my bum enough room, and then they just go out to these really gorgeous wide legs, which I really like. I also love that they've got a slightly distressed hem at the bottoms. Because I've been on the hunt for wide leg jeans for so long, I had so much fun styling these with jumpers and trainers for the cooler months. And then for the warmer months, I've styled them with the quilted jacket and a white halternet, just for like a really nice casual running errands type of look. And I've also styled them up with my cream blazer, heels, bum bag and sunglasses, just for a slightly more sophisticated look. Right, so the next pair were a bit of a fail. These jeans are in a boot cut style. I was just really curious to see how that would compare to the wide leg jeans on me, and if I might like that style slightly better. But these, even though they are a size 10, just like all the other jeans that I'm showing you, are so tight. I couldn't even get them zipped up. I could barely get them up my legs, never mind zipped up. It's such a shame that these ones don't fit me, because I love this shade of washed denim. If you are contemplating getting these, I definitely would recommend sizing up. I'll show you what they look like on the model just for like a better picture, because I don't think you can really tell by looking at them on me. And I also got another pair of wide leg jeans, but in a much darker denim. This is like a washed black. And for these ones, I just wanted to experiment, so I got them in a size 10 again, but I got them in the size 10 petite. Just because previously when I have tried on wide leg jeans, I'm 5'4", and a lot of the time they are way too long for me. So I thought, where I'm ordering a few pairs, let me just also throw in a petite pair just to check the fit. And the length of these are actually perfect on me, which is interesting because the other wide leg jeans weren't in a petite, and the length on those ones are really good as well. But these ones finish on me exactly where they do on the model. Overall, the fit of these I'm really happy with. They fit perfectly around the waist. I did the booty check, and they're nice and roomy on the bum, which is perfect. I've styled them with the gingham blouse, trainers and my mulberry bag, just for a very casual look. And I've also styled them with a pretty cardigan and heels for a low-key date night look. I definitely feel the flare of the legs on this pair are a lot more exaggerated than what they were on the lighter denim pair, which makes me feel like these ones are more suited towards the spring summer. So the final pair of jeans are in a straight leg fit, again in a black washed denim. What I love about these jeans is the split hem at the bottom on the inside, as I think it is so nice to be able to show off a little bit of your footwear. These jeans are really versatile. They look great in the weather that we're in now, just with a long sleeve top and oversized coat. They also look great with a trench coat as we go into spring. And then in the summer, they're going to look incredible too, just with a cami and a chunky belt and perhaps a blazer thrown on top. I also really like this style of jean with a satin shirt worn slightly open at the front going into a chunky belt. And I think that creates like a really nice date night look, just with some heels and a cute bag. And then I also think this style of jean looks so great with long line coats. It just creates a really nice silhouette. Right, so next on to my favourite items of this haul. We're well into February now, and I'm wanting to smash some of the items on my vision board, one being to get back into shape. So I thought there's no better way to do that, and there's nothing that motivates me more than treating myself to some new sportswear. So I picked up this seamless sports set. Again, it's the colour for me. It's in this soft pistachio shade of green, which I think is the most gorgeous colour going into spring. So I got the sports tights and the sports bra. There was also a matching crop top if you don't really want to show off so much skin, but I didn't get that as the sports tights come up so high. There isn't really much room between the tights and the bra. This is my first time buying from the H&M Seamless collection, and I have to say the material is so lovely and soft. I got both the top and the bottoms in a size small, and I'm really happy with the fit of it. It's got the perfect amount of stretch, it's comfortable, and it's really soft and just feels lovely against the skin. The sports bra is low support, but that's fine for me because I'm planning to wear this more for weight training rather than running and cardio. I also picked up a new grey hoodie just because my current one was in desperate need of replacing, and I really like the pistachio colour against this grey, so I definitely will be wearing these together. Right, so finally I picked up a couple of pairs of pyjamas. Again, I love H&M for basics like pyjamas just because they're so affordable and the quality is always so good. So I got this set in a ribbed material in this lovely charcoal colour. It's a t-shirt and then shorts for the bottom. I sized up to a medium with this just because I wanted it to be loose and comfortable, and then I just tuck the t-shirt into the shorts and then pull the waist tie just to cinch it in and make it look a bit more put together. Obviously I'm just going to be wearing this to bed, so I've styled it exactly as if I was doing so with my headscarf, because obviously you've got to protect the hair while still looking cute, and my slippers. I don't know about you guys, but I have become such a slipper person since going into lockdown. Before, like, our house is all carpeted, so I never used to really care about having slippers on. Now I cannot leave a room without my slippers on my feet, and as it's a new year I just thought I'd treat myself to a new pair, so I picked up this ridiculously fluffy pair which have like an open toe. I just thought they'd be really cute for going into spring summer, and they're just really cozy. And then lastly I just got another pair of pyjamas as I felt my pyjama collection just needed a little bit of a revamp for going into spring summer, and this is just a lighter grey set with a t-shirt and then slim jogger bottoms, but they feel really nice and soft and like they're made very well, so I'm really happy with these. Right guys, so that's everything. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you did like it, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on Insta. I post a lot of my outfits on there, so it's a great place to be for some inspiration, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.